Today on the Back Road Bitter channel,
Dun, dun, dun.
the end of an era.
Back Road Bitter rocks.
We are going to Crazy Frank's where we have 4 booths and we're starting to empty them out.
It's for me, it was hard to kind of coordinate that and with everything else that I need to do. So it's been a good run and I'm glad that I did it and I learned a lot from it. But like with everything, it's time to say goodbye.
Yeah, I've been overall pretty happy with it. There were some disappointing months, but I don't know. Especially when it gets to be the middle of winter, you don't feel like cruising over there every other week and lugging stuff in, sorting it and cleaning it, and whatever you gotta do.
I'm trying to streamline more of my things and trying to sell multiples of more like items because I can do it quicker and faster and storing it is a lot easier.
Because I want to do more live auctions online and whatnot, and on Nateypies channel. Check us out Wednesday nights.
Who is this Nateypie that you speak of?
Go to his channel, he's got great videos. We do cool auctions. He's one half of the Beardos team. Actually, he's about 2/3 of the Beardos team. Not in girth, just in show presence. Showmanship. I don't know.
He carries the show.
Yeah, he carries the show. I'm just eye candy.
Yeah. Well, I would be more than happy to come down and help you sort out stuff and organize.
In other words, I'll throw out all your
I didn't say that.
I'll be more than happy to throw it out the door. They usually have the music loud in here, so I'll probably have to do a voiceover when we get in the building. Sure enough, right as soon as we got to the door, I could hear 60s music playing from my heart radio. Not that it was bad music, I just don't want a copyright infringement. Ding. I'm trying to get rid of stuff, but then I see 20% off here and I start thinking. And I realize I better get catching up. So it goes from here all the way down to Marcy there on the right side. Those are our 4 booths. And hey, while we're in here, if you see anything you like, you can contact me on Instagram at BackRoadBitter. And give me a follow on there if you want. But DM me if you see something here you're interested in, and we can talk. We started by grabbing Christmas stuff because we're going to be selling that on Nateypies channel this week. All right, Marcy, hurry up. That's about it. Take another look. Make offers. Or leave a message below. I also have Gmail. Cheese curds. That's how you celebrate a job well done in Wisconsin.
Nice.
Are you recording?
No.
Such a liar.
Oh, not.
Dishonest. It's too serious.
Why?
What?
Why is it so serious?
I don't know. I don't want to be too serious.